Samsung's new One UI 7 recent app style looks cool, but what if I told you that you can change it to any style you want? Yep, your multitasking screen can look completely different with just a few taps. Let me show you how. Alright, so first things first, there are two apps you can use for this, GoodLock or FineLock. If you don't have either one yet, just download one of them from the Play Store. They're super easy to find. Once you're in GoodLock or FineLock, look for a module called Home Up. Go ahead and install it. It's the magic tool we need for customizing your recent apps layout. If you're opening Home Up for the first time, you'll need to switch the module on. Just tap that little toggle so it turns blue or active. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll see Task Changer. Make sure to enable it too, then tap on it to open the customization options. Now, by default, Samsung One UI 7 uses the tilt stack layout for recent apps, but you can totally switch it up. Here are the other styles. Grid. This one shows your apps in a neat grid layout, so you can see more apps at once without scrolling too much. It's perfect if you like everything organized and visible. Vertical list. This makes your recent apps stack from top to bottom, so scrolling feels smoother and more compact than the default layout. Great if you want something simple and clean. Slim list. This one gives you a super minimal look with thinner cards, perfect if you want your recent apps to feel fast, lightweight, and distraction-free. For me, I'm choosing vertical list, and I'm also turning on circular list at the bottom because it adds a fun circular animation effect. The transitions look way more dynamic with it enabled. And that's it! Your Samsung recent apps style is officially changed. Super quick and super customizable. And there you go. Your Samsung now feels like a whole new phone. If you love easy customizations like this, make sure to stick around because I've got plenty more tricks coming your way.